How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on Updates located at the bottom. Then you'll find My Status. Click on My Status at the top and then select any picture you want to add with your music. Then you'll find Music option on top. Simply click on Music and you'll find all the musics. You can also simply search songs or artists on top. After you've searched, simply click on the music you want to add and then press on arrow, which is located at right side. Then you can also select which part of the music you want to add in your status. Then press on done located at top right corner of your screen. And this is how to add music to WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.